Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare your coconut rice. I have here all these ingredients which I'm going to be using in preparing the coconut rice. Here is crayfish, already blended crayfish. So here is the green peas which I'm going to be using. Here is chopped onions. Here is fresh pepper that has been blended. I have here chopped green beans and chopped carrots. So now I'm going to be showing you how to wash the coconuts and bring out the water which I'm going to be using in preparing the coconut rice. So here is my coconuts. You can see how it's being grated. I'm going to be using this after grating it to prepare my coconut rice. You can see that the coconut has been peeled out of the shell. Having grated the coconut, here is the coconut. So now I'm going to be washing this with a warm water. So I'll be packing this now into this warm water. This is warm water. Either warm or hot water, any of them you like to use, but I would like to use warm water so that I can wash them out without the water burning my hands. So I'll be allowing this for just few minutes, let's say about 3 minutes, and I'll now be sieving it into this rubber. So I'll be sieving out the juice of the coconut, and that is what I'm going to be using in preparing my coconut rice. So now I'm going to be shifting it inside this rubber first. Then I'll still add water into it and still wash it again. So this is the water for the coconut which I'm going to be using in preparing my rice. Also for the coconut rice, I have here my chicken which have already been sauced. Now I'm going to be frying this chicken so that I'll use it. And also the water for the chicken, I'll be adding it in my coconut water to cook the rice. Here is parboiled rice which I'm going to be preparing. I'm going to be mixing this now to prepare the coconut rice. So now I'm going to be preparing my coconut rice. Here is my pot. You can see the pot is empty. Here is the chicken which I'm going to be using. So the first thing to do is to pour in my coconut water which was blended inside the pot. Now I'll be adding my ingredients inside the pot. I'll add my crayfish inside. Also add the onions. Add my fresh pepper. And I'll allow this water to boil very well. I'll also add my salt inside and also add Maggi inside the pot. So I'll be adding salt inside the pot and also Maggi inside the pot. I will now cover the pot and allow this to steam. So now you can see that I've just added the chicken water inside the coconut water, and I'm now going to be adding my rice, pouring my rice inside the pot. So I'm adding the rice. So now, as the pot starts boiling, I'll be pouring this my green peas. Also here is my chopped carrots and green beans, which I'll be pouring in. Just make it, level it, and allow it to steam very well, and everything will be mixed together. So enjoy watching this and also learn how to prepare your coconut rice. It's not ready yet, but very soon all the ingredients will be mixed together and the rice will be ready. If you love this video, thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like and also share this video with your friends and families. This is how to prepare your coconut rice, even for events. I hope you're enjoying this, how to prepare this, and also learning it. If you're new to my channel, please don't fail to tap the bell for notification of new videos. Stay tuned and enjoy watching how to prepare your coconut rice. So I'll be covering the pot and allow this to steam very well. So here I'm also frying my chicken for the coconut rice, which I'm going to be using to serve this coconut rice. Actually, it's my birthday today and I have to prepare a delicious meal for myself, which is the coconut rice recipe. Enjoy watching this video and please don't fail to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like and also share this video with your friends and families. Mind you, as you're watching, you're also learning how to prepare your party coconut rice. So here you can see that the coconut rice is ready for consumption. This is how to prepare your party coconut rice. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you also learn how to prepare your coconut rice. You can see that the vegetables are all mixed together and the food is ready. See you guys in my next video. Bye.